Diwali. So this is my second Diwali here in Canada, and today I'm going to shoot my entire day. So this is a 2-in-1 video. This is the video of a day in the life of a part-time student, as well as because it's Diwali, so it's my Diwali special. Let's see what I have in store for the entire day. It's 8:30 a.m. here in Canada. So I woke up at 7:15 today, and since then I've freshened up, had my breakfast, and also started editing my video. And if you haven't already watched it, then do me a favor, watch it after this video. Also, my friend Ramya sent me and my friend this, and this is such a sweet gesture, and she always makes an effort to make us feel at home. And if there is anything, be it our graduation, be it my birthday, and now this Diwali, she always does something so that we can feel here at home. So Ramya, thank you so much, you are a sweetheart. I'm going to unbox this, so I don't know if you can see. So there is this mallet, and my friend and I are going to break this with this, what comes from inside, and then I'm going to eat it and make you all jealous. No, whom am I kidding? I can't be jealous. It's you people who are in India and celebrating this occasion with your family and having all those sweets, all those dry fruits that you can eat. So yes, I'm the one who's jealous here, but it's fine. I just talked to my family back home and wish them happy Diwali. Now let's get back to work. Time to reveal that secret. So busting myth number 9, that you can't get into one of the top B schools if you don't have 80%, 90%, but that's untrue. So we are going to open this now. So here is this. This is so cute. So we are going to smash the box with this. Okay. Rashi, will you do the honors?
No, you can do it. It's fine.
Okay.
I'm scared I'll spoil it.
I want this. I'm keeping this.
Keep it.
Okay. So we'll just keep these here. It's melting.
Oh,
Yay! I will show you. So we have made a hole here. I think we can eat this as well.
yeah.
That's the only sweet I had. Thank you so much, Ramya. Okay, so I think we did this. This is not a broken heart. This heart has a lot of surprise inside it. And I'll show you the close-up.
A bunch of chocolates.
Yeah. So this is our heart right here, and yay, we got these chocolates. Now we are going to make you a little jealous by eating these. Okay, so these are strawberries dipped in chocolate, because I can see the strawberry right there. This is something unique and I'm trying it for the first time. There's a mixture of this flavor. I'm not a chef, like I'm not that professional chef. I can tell you that this is sweet from the inside, crunchy from the outside.
But it is.
Yeah, wow, I nailed it. Now it's the time to cook. It's not lunchtime yet. What's the time? It's just 10:20, but I have to go to my part-time job. So I'll cook, I'll eat, and then I'll pack my lunch, and let's go to the kitchen now. I'm going to make bhindi, which is my favorite. You would say that paneer is my favorite, but I really can't choose between these two. So my lunch is ready, and I've also packed my tiffin, and let me show you. So I just took a bath, and yes, with cold water. And if you want to know the reason why, you can watch my video, A Day in the Life of a B School Student. I've packed my lunch, not really lunch. I've packed my dinner because I already had my lunch. So this is the chapati, and This is my bhindi, so I'm going to carry these along with me. And I thought that since it's Diwali, I should wear something different and something traditional. So this is a normal kurta that I have, and I haven't worn it here, I think, ever in Canada. And I think I should apply an eyeliner also. I won't apply my lipstick because I don't want to spoil my mask. I did apply my eyeliner and I was wearing my earrings because I thought, why not? And I could fit in this one here, but this year I couldn't fit it in, and I'm going to do a trick. I'm going to keep my hair this side, and then I'm going to wear my mask and no one will know. So let's keep that a secret. But wait, I can't go wearing this because it's cold outside, so let me just grab my jacket. I'm thinking today I should wear a different jacket. Not because you guys must be bored of seeing that jacket again and again if you follow me on Insta. Why am I wearing it right now? Yeah, so now because this is very thin, I'm going to keep this muffler with me when I come during the night so that I don't catch a cold. And these days if you catch a cold, it's extra tension because you don't know what it is, cold or COVID. So I be careful. Now I'm ready. I'm near the Schulich building, so Schulich is right in front of the subway, and I will take the subway from here and then I have to take another bus. So for those of you who do not know, I work at Toys R Us. So until I get my full-time corporate job, I'm working there. And the reason that you are hearing a weird voice is because I'm working really fast so that I don't miss my subway, because if I miss my subway, then I'll have to wait for that bus and I'll have to wait extra. That's the disadvantage of having a route which involves changing your transport. The subway came in, so I'm going to be all right. I'll talk to you at the next stop. So I'm at the Vaughan station and now I have to catch a bus from here to Woodbridge.
D/COVID-19 for more info on face masks.
I just came out and the bus was about to go, so I ran, and thankfully I caught this bus because otherwise I would have been 15 minutes late because the frequency of this bus is not that much. Now I'm here, so the Toys R Us is right there. If you look at that building is Toys R Us, and I can't record while walking because the sun would be behind me, then you wouldn't be able to see it clearly. So from here it's 1:40, so the thing is either I reach 20 minutes early or I reach 15 minutes late. So obviously I have to come 20 minutes early. And then the weather is good today, but at night it would be so cold, my hands would go numb if I even get them out of my pocket. So that's why it's a good decision that I did take my muffler. It's going to be a short shift now. It's going to be just 5 hours today because the store closes at 7 p.m. today, and I have had my fair chunk of long shifts. I've done 9-hour shifts, I've done 8-hour shifts, and oh god, like when it's a 9-hour shift, then the last 3 hours are a pain. because my feet start aching. Other than that, I'm perfectly fine. And if you want, I've specifically made a video on my part-time experience here in Canada, so you can watch that. And that video also contains tips and tricks that you can incorporate to get a job faster, and also what are the mistakes that I made that you should not make. So you can watch that. Now I'm heading towards my store because first they are going to have the temperature check, and then they are going to ask me questions so that they can know that I can work and I'm not COVID positive or have a risk of being COVID positive. So I'm going to go there. I'll meet you in my break. They're not going to let me allow to take the footage inside, so I'll just show you from outside, and in the break I might come outside to just show you around here. Presto needs to be recharged, so I'm just going to recharge it and then take my subway. I can remove the mask because the subway is kind of empty. So you know that I have to take a bus and a subway. When I left my work, I saw that my bus will arrive in 40 minutes, like the one that I usually take. But then luckily there was the Zoom bus, so I came through that, and that came right on time when I was there. So now I'm sitting in the subway, and the subway will start whenever it will, in a minute or two hopefully. So today I just had a 5-hour shift, and I'm sorry I could not show you around in my break because it took me around 20 minutes to have my supper, I would say, because it was not dinner, it was not lunch. And then I would have to wear the jacket, go and come back. I wouldn't have got any time to record anything, so apologies for that. And it was not at all tiring today because it was just 5 hours, and I'm used to 8 and 9 hours as well. So it was a piece of cake. And one thing is that today there were a lot more customers because it's the weekend, and sometimes not a lot of customers come. Like you have to wait for a few minutes and then someone comes, and I get bored. So this was exciting for me because I didn't have to wait enough and there were customers lining up. So that was good. And I did say in my part-time experience video that there was not even a time to breathe when I was at Tim Hortons. I don't want that kind of crazy hectic, but I do want people just coming up and I get to talk to them. So today that was that day. I think I'll reach home by 8:30 or 8:45, and what I'll do is that I was thinking that since I got my salary yesterday, I would treat myself to good food, but I don't know. I want it to be an experience wherein I am free and I can sit and eat, so I'll see if I want to order today or tomorrow. Rest, my friend invited me to her house for Diwali. She has made some sweets, so I'll just call her if the plan is still on for today or has she postponed it to tomorrow. So that's one thing that I can do, and rest is simple. I still need to edit the video because I need to do the final touch-ups and then post it, and the video is mixed around Toppy School. Oh, so the subway is going to start. I'll see you when I step out of the subway. York University station and now I'm going to head home. It's going to be a 15-minute walk. So let's talk. Okay, so I'll just keep the mask inside because I'm walking and there are not that many people here. Let me show you how this looks. This is the nighttime fields of York University, and this building right in the front that you see, this is my B school, was my B school. I'm an alumni of this B school, Schulich School of Business. So if you're interested in taking the tour of this school, then I've made a video and you can watch that. The link will appear right on the screen. So I headed the wrong direction and there are two paths leading to the same destination, but I usually go this way. So I just changed my path. So my route contains a lot of walking and I think the subway plus the bus combined is just 15-20 minutes and the rest is walk plus the waiting time for the bus. Subway I don't have to wait, max 5 minutes because the subway frequency here is quite often, but the bus I have to wait sometimes 15 minutes and today it was just due, so I was right on time. If I had missed that I would have been late, but it's good. So it's not that cold outside as the temperature showed, like it was supposed to be 2 degrees Celsius, but I don't think so. It is right now. So you must be wondering why I did not have classes today. So those of you who are new to this channel, I've already graduated from the Schulich School of Business and I am doing a part-time job till I get my corporate one. As soon as I get it and start working, I'll make a video on that as well. So stay tuned for that. You must be thinking, what do I do when I am walking? I talk to my parents if I'm waiting for the bus, and when I think that I've already talked to my parents, so then I listen to music. So that's what I do. So the songs keep me company and it's good. I also incorporate a walk in my daily routine. I did used to go for long walks when I was not working, but these days it's just today that I had this 5-hour shift, otherwise it's 8 or 7 or even 9, so I do not get the time for that and I do already have that physical exertion. And today I did not exercise as well because these days I have kept my exercise to the days when I'm not working. Oh, I remember I also have to go home and work on my website, so I'm finally launching it tomorrow. It has been such a delay. Sometimes this crops up and that, but I have made a promise to myself that I'll launch it tomorrow. So those of you who do not know about that, the name of the company is Collegiado and the website is the platform through which you can book your service, and the service is the application process. So I will help you regarding the entire application process, be it the SOPs, the essay, or even the interview. So everything is included. So if you're interested, you can visit the link below in the description box. And I've got admits to Schulich School of Business, University of Waterloo and University of Texas. So there's that credibility. And I am just climbing down the stairs. So I want to show you this. This looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Every time I go, in the morning, the sun was behind me. Now it's the lights behind me. So I'm doing reverse walking. Hopefully I do not fall. Okay, it's better now. So I was saying that if you're interested in that, if you're interested in studying abroad at one of the top-notch universities or B schools, you can check out the link and contact me. You know, these signals, these can cost you 20 to 30 minutes. If you're traveling my route and you have to take my kind of buses, I'll tell you why. So one day I saw my bus passing right in front of my eyes and I could not board it because the signal wasn't white. So when the signal is white here, then only we can cross the street. Otherwise, when it's red like it's now, then we can't. And because of that, I had to wait another 20 minutes and I was thinking if it were India, oh, it's white, so I should run. It doesn't stay white for a long time. This one, not all, this one, because this is not a hugely dense area. I was saying it's not that cold, but my hands are freezing now. I've put one in my pocket, but the other one is holding the phone. But it's okay. I'm used to it now. I think that last November I was wearing a lot more clothes than I'm wearing today. So there has been gradual progress. Good, because I don't want to wear loads of clothes and then go outside. I have problem wearing lots of clothes. Despite my mom, who made me wear like 4-5 layers even in India. I'm from North India, so there is cold there, but still 4-5 layers of clothes. And then I used to go home there, and then I used to go to school or even to play. So that's my mom. But now I'm just wearing 2 layers and I'm not dying. It's just my hand which is dying, but other than that it's good. Now it's just my building there. I'll go inside my room and then I will continue from there. Finally I'm home and I'm done with my corona prevention regime. Wash my hands and everything. And now I can finally rest. So I called that friend and she did not pick up when I was downstairs. So we are just a few buildings apart. So now I'm here and removed my jacket and everything. And she's holding the same thing tomorrow as well. So I'll meet her tomorrow. So no worries about that. And what else? I think that's it. It's 8:30 and what else will I do? So as I told you, I'll edit my video. I wish Diwali was more interesting, as in I have complete control to make it interesting, but it was work, so there could have been no proper plan. Maybe at night, but my friend is also at her job. My roommate also has a job, so she'll also come late. So everyone has their jobs, and when she comes, I'll see if we can do something, like a little something to just celebrate this Diwali. And I did not do anything, like I did not light up lights, I do not have lights, so I did not buy lights because I did not want to. But next Diwali, I'm hoping that it would be wonderful. And the highlight of the Diwali was Ramya's gesture, and I got to eat something sweet on this occasion because of her. So thank you again, Ramya. So now I'll bid goodbye and I will edit the video, work a little on my website. So this was my Diwali, and this is how my day goes when I'm working part-time. I recorded this today on a Saturday because 1, it was Diwali, and 2, I have less hours, so I could show you more of my day. Otherwise it's like 11 to 8, 11 to 9. So I could not have shown you anything in that. It's like wake up, do your usual chores, do the cooking, pack it, go, come, talk to your parents, talk to your family and sleep. That's it. So I hope that you got to witness the experience, and if you have any questions, the comment box is right there. Also, if you like this video, then make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. Hope you had an exciting Diwali, and until my next video, which will be up really soon, so stay tuned for that. Take care and stay happy.